Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rogério Alves. I'm a deputy mayor of Ponte. I'm on behalf of the mayor of Ponte, Mr. Hilário. Dear Carlos Caldas, distinguished guests and speakers, ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly honored to welcome you all in Ponte and across the world for the 4th edition of the Portugal Air Summit. In challenging conditions due to the current pandemic, for the second consecutive year, we are very pleased to co-host together with ITB Incorporated the Partnership for Global Sustainability workshop on sustainability and the future of aerospace. 2 years went by since we first presented Ponte Aerospace project in the PGS workshop in Chapel Hill, North Carolina in 2018. In the current pandemic and post-pandemic context, sustainability is certainly a key factor without which societies and economies and the future won't prevail. It is our duty to debate, develop, and implement sustainable solutions across the globe. If we fail, the whole world will become significantly poorer, and inequalities will surge as economies struggle to grow. It is imperative that strategies are put in place to accelerate the recovery of the pandemic. At the local level, and for the last decade, Ponte has been working hard to be an agent for awareness and change for the aviation and space sectors in Portugal. The Portuguese know-how and capabilities in these fields has been steadily increasing over these years, with a remarkable footprint in the country's GDP. This effort cannot be stopped, and we are pleased to say that at this very moment are creating conditions with additional hangars and industrial capacities to be attractive and to attract new businesses for Ponte or to Ponte to boost economic activities as aerospace companies seek to recover and gain competitiveness. Ponte will remain focused on the opportunities offered by this sector, by networking and strengthening partnerships with the industry, academic institutions, research and development units, public and private entities. On the eve of Portugal's presidency of the European Union, we truly believe Portugal and Europe have an opportunity to lead an unprecedented economic momentum based on the financial stimulus packages already defined in order to recover and further this key sector. A final word to our distinguished PGS guest speakers. Immense gratitude. This event could not exist without you and your expertise. May we all learn from it. And to the students presenting their research work, be resilient, be proactive, and never quit inducing change for good. Today's complex world needs you. Finally, a warm thanks to Carlos Caldas and his ITB team for their trust in Ponte and for letting us be part of the PGS spirit. I wish you all a very fruitful debate in the coming days. Thank you very much. Welcome to Ponte. Mr. Carlos, please.
Thank you, Rogério. Allow me, before I start, inviting the participants into the workshop and the presentations to say a few words in Portuguese. Primeiro de tudo, agradecer ao Rogério e à Câmara, o Presidente Hilário, por o convite, sendo este o 3º ano consecutivo da nossa participação. É sempre um orgulho e uma honra estar aqui presente e participar convosco neste importante projeto. Espero que seja ainda os primeiros passos para uma longa caminhada conjunta, porque estou convicto de que aquilo que nós temos para partilhar uns com os outros e para aprender uns com os outros, principalmente nesta área de sustentabilidade, é importante e vale a pena colaborar, porque nós temos tido essa experiência de há 15 anos para cá, trabalhando com a ESA e com a NASA, e que tem sido uma parceria muito, muito importante. Mais uma vez quero agradecer ao Presidente e a ti, Rogério, e ao grupo organizador pelo trabalho incansável que têm tido e confiança que têm depositado em nós na participação deste evento. Obrigado. Now, if you will allow me to give context to all of those listening in person here and online. 3 years ago, we were invited to participate for the first time here in Ponte. The Air Summit, obviously a bit different than this one that is virtual. We only did a couple presentations at the time, but since then, this has been an ever-growing organization that has trusted us with a group of presenters in several sessions. And this year we have 2 sessions, one today and one tomorrow, different themes, but equally important. And I want to thank the mayor and the mayor's office for their support and their continued belief in our efforts and our collaboration. So thank you very much for that.